Hi everyone, Eric Folks, Mobile Learning Specialist for LandPass ISD. I'm here to show you how you can copy and paste your lesson plans from Microsoft Word to eBackpack. First thing I'm going to do is go to My Files in eBackpack, and under Actions I'm going to say Add Assignment. And from there I'm going to go to my Microsoft Word lesson plans and get the title. Copy my unit of study right there. Just copy and paste, so I can right click on it and copy, or I can select and highlight it and then do Control C to copy it. And then over in eBackpack, Control C to paste. Try that one more time. There we go. And then head back to my lesson content. Highlight all of that. Control C to copy, or right click and copy. And then Control V to paste. I'm going to head back and grab my learning objective. Control C to copy. Head back over here. Position my cursor and Control V to space, or to place it and paste it. And adjust it however I want. If I want to make it all pretty and all the same font, I can select all of that, and under the format there's a clear formatting so that it all matches. Then under the due date, I'm going to adjust the due date time to whatever I want it to be, so I'm going to just choose September 7th. I want to leave this use default time, due time for each location in place, so that when I drag it or copy it from my files into my courses, it won't mess with the time or with the due date, but it will adjust the time to match the course. So of course I can add files or standards here. For the evaluation type, really any of them will be fine except for test. We don't want it to be test. And then I'm going to turn off the allow turn-in and allow late turn-in, so that the students don't have this assignment as a save to location when they're working in eBackpack. I just want them to see what we're doing for the day. And at that point I'm going to click save. And now I've got my star review, which was the title of my lesson, in my files. So in this case it happened to be, I think it renamed it copy one because I already had one of those lessons in there. So of course once we've got our lessons in, rather than have a whole bunch of different lessons, you can always create folders and move your different lessons and assignments into folders. Once you've created the folder, you can just drag it and drop it into those folders if you would like. And of course, to create folders, pick the root folder that you want to create the new folder in. So I'm going to just create it in my files, and from the drop down say that you want to add folder, and then you can add folders and move your assignments around however you'd like. Hope this was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day.